In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a 3D book cover in Canva. So first, you have to visit canva.com and then you want to navigate to apps and then you want to scroll down a bit and click mockups. This is the tool in Canva that we are going to use to create that 3D book cover mockup. And after that, you'll see plenty of great looking mockups that you could use for your project. But in this case, we are specifically want to create a 3D book cover. So you can use the search feature right here and type something like book, and it will give you plenty of different options. And later you can choose which mockup design that you want to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of designs and you can scroll down and find the one that looks perfect for you. But let's try a simple design like this 3D mockup. So I'm going to use, maybe this looks really cool. I'm going to click on it, and in order to add a picture to this cover, you can click select and it will reveal the content you have uploaded before. And you can use, let's say I'm going to use this picture, and let's click next. Now that picture will be applied to as the cover, and if you see this gap, usually you are not always getting the right size for the cover, but that's okay because we can always adjust the image and then we can make sure that it is covering the entire area. When you are done, you can click save, and in order to get this picture or this mockup cover, you can click save mockup, and then you can later download the picture and click download. There you go. So that's how you can get a 3D book cover mockup in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.